First, the conjugate of the square root of x plus 7 minus the square root of x minus 9. So the conjugate of that is the square root of x plus 7 plus the square root of x minus 9. So we have the plus over here instead of the minus. So let's suppose that the square root of x plus 7 plus the square root of x minus 9 is equal to the variable m. What I'm going to do is multiply the two conjugates. So I have the square root of x plus 7 minus the square root of x minus 9 times the square root of x plus 7 plus the square root of x minus 9. And what I'm going to do is assign the square root of x plus 7 as a, and the square root of x minus 9 as b. So I have, in this case, a minus b times a plus b. And if I have something in the form a plus b times a minus b, this is equal to a squared minus b squared. So I get x plus 7 minus x minus 9 is equal to 2m. Because back here, this is equal to m, and if you multiply them 2m, we get 2m. Meaning, I have, after these two cancel out, 16 is equal to 2m, and if I divide both sides by 2, I get m is equal to 8. So we have that m is equal to 8. So now going back to this over here, I'm going to rewrite this equation down here. So the square root of x plus 7 minus the square root of x minus 9 is equal to 2. This means that 2 times the square root of x plus 7 is equal to 10. And the square root of x plus 7 is equal to 5. Now if I square both sides, I get x plus 7 is equal to 25. And now if I subtract 7 on both sides, I get x is equal to 18. So that's the value of x, but there could be a different value, and we're going to find that out with method 2. So for method 2, I'm going to write down my original equation, x plus 7 minus the square root of x minus 9 is equal to 2. Now I'm going to add the square root of x minus 9 on both sides. So I get the square root of x plus 7 is equal to 2 plus the square root of x minus 9. And now I'm going to square both sides. So if I square the square root of x plus 7, that's obviously just equal to x plus 7. But for 2 plus the square root of x minus 9 squared, if I have something in the form a plus b squared, this is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So I get x plus 7 times 2 squared plus 2 times the square root of x minus 9 plus the square root of x minus 9 squared. And this gets me x plus 7 is equal to 4 plus 4 root x minus 9 plus x minus 9. Now I can cancel out these two x's by subtracting x on both sides. So now I have 7 is equal to 4 plus 4 root x minus 9 minus 9. Now, I'm going to combine some like terms. So I get 7 is equal to 4 minus 9, which is equal to negative 5, plus 4 root x minus 9. And now, I'm going to add 5 on both sides. So these two cancel out, and I get 12 is equal to 4 root x minus 9. Now, I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by 4. So I get the square root of x minus 9 is equal to 3. And from here, I can square both sides because we want to get rid of this square root over here. So I get x minus 9 is equal to 3 squared, which is 9, meaning if I add both sides by 9, I get x is equal to 18. And if we go back, we can see that this is what we got for method 1, so there's really no new solutions that we got for this method. And if you want, you can go ahead and plug this in to the original equation and see if it's right. Also, comment below if what you got was the right answer.